Hello, my name is Sue Sweetek. I'm the owner of Hubba Hubba Foods in York, Maine. Today we are going to be making some pumpkin soup, and we're going to be following this recipe. If you have met me at a festival or have ordered from us online, you are familiar with those recipe cards because you get one with every spice blend that you purchase. So we are going to start with, according to our recipe, a container of chicken broth or stock. This is 32 ounces. So let's go ahead and get this into our saucepan. This happens to be bone broth, but like I said, stock or broth is completely fine. Okay. Now, next is 2 cans of pumpkin puree. And we're just gonna add that to our chicken broth. There's 1, get it all in there, and 2. And I'm making a mess. That's okay. Okay, 2 cans are in. And our final ingredient is our Slip Me Some Sage blend. And we're gonna talk some more about that in a moment. But right now, I'm gonna take a tablespoon of Slip Me Some Sage, sprinkle it in, grab a whisk, and we're gonna whisk all 3 of our ingredients together. Make sure it's well combined. Just like that. We're just breaking up the pumpkin. And that is done. We're gonna get this on the stove and bring it to a simmer. Okay, so while that's heating, let's talk for a moment about Slip Me Some Sage and how it helps us have only 3 ingredients in this soup. Slip Me Some Sage has sage, obviously. It has thyme, marjoram, savory, which is an herb, salt, white pepper, and paprika. So all those things combined give us all the flavor that we need for this soup. There is nothing else necessary unless you want to doctor it up a little bit more. The other thing to think about with this recipe is maybe you have someone that you're cooking for that is vegetarian or vegan. You can simply switch this from chicken stock to veggie stock and you've got a vegan meal. So while the soup is heating, let's talk about how to serve it. You can chop up some nuts and sprinkle it on top for some crunch and texture. You can top it with croutons. I personally like to serve it with grilled cheese sandwiches, and it's the quickest dinner you could possibly make. So I'm gonna take a peek at the soup and see if it's simmering yet. Let's take a quick look. It's actually almost at a boil already. Okay. We're gonna give that one more moment. So this is a great way to use up some items in the pantry. After Thanksgiving, which hopefully you have roasted with your Slip Me Some Sage, you can actually fold in some chopped leftover turkey from your Thanksgiving turkey and make this a complete meal that way. So I hope that you enjoy this soup. I can hear actually that it's already bubbling. So I'm gonna grab that from the stove and we're gonna give it a try. Woo, ha ha ha. Okay, I'm gonna give it another stir. I can smell all the herbs. It is very hot. Okay, nice and thick. And I am going to give it a taste. This is very important when you're cooking, is to taste your food as you go to see if it has enough seasoning. So you can see all the herbs in there. I actually think it needs a tiny bit more Slip Me Some Sage. So I'm gonna add that now, just a little bit. We'll whisk that in again. And we are ready to eat. Let's grab a ladle and serve it up. This is a great alternative to tomato soup with a grilled cheese sandwich. Ooh, there's a little background I can feel on my palate, a little background heat from the white pepper, which I love. Grab a clean spoon here and give this a taste. Just imagine dipping that grilled cheese sandwich in there. So I hope that you try this soup. Please let me know what you think of it. And the recipe is in the comments below. Thank you. Enjoy.